So we start off today's video with this DIY rope design. So there's quite a few different projects that you can create with this rope. You can get this from the dollar store. You can make a mirror, a rug, placemat. It looks like they might be making a rug for this one. Very nice, nice and cozy, and I love the idea of being able to make like your own rug. Just such a cool idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So for this next DIY, I'm thinking it definitely has to be a mirror design. Yes, oh that's beautiful. I love the two different colors they use too, with the black and then the wood. That's really pretty. Now it looks like this next DIY also features like a mirror design. And what's really amazing to me is that they're using strips of just white plain paper for this. Oh, they're making a flower. Wow. Okay, so that's why it was white, so they can make like a daisy. Wow, that is pretty cool. Very nice. And then we have a porch transformation. They did an amazing job with this. Definitely, I know it had to be a lot of work, very tedious. But what's great about these kind of projects is that they will elevate your home. Amazing job. Very nicely done. And then we have a lampshade. So this is actually a pretty beginner-friendly project. As long as you know how to make the tassels, then you're pretty much good to go. Very nice. floral vase hack. This is a very uniquely shaped vase too, I will say. Oh, okay. Oh, I bet that smells amazing with the real eucalyptus leaves. Very nice. And then we have another popsicle stick DIY. So she cut the tops off. These actually don't look like popsicle sticks. They look really thin to me, or is that just me? Okay, so this is definitely a mirror design here. Painted Jenga pieces. Very cool design. I like the little shelf here. That's really nice. And you can change it and put different things. That's cute. DIY tall grass planter. I can't talk. DIY tall grass planter. So this is a great DIY, especially as we head into like the summer season. And you can find these same little like grass pieces from the dollar store. I don't know if they'll be as tall as the ones that she has here. I think you can also get them off of Amazon if I'm not mistaken. And then she put the little moss in there. That's really nice, and it really helps elevate your home as well. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY projects with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.